Alright, so let's check out this leveling system. So you'll come in, system will be off, boom, turn it on. So right now only the front two are down, as if you're hooking up your truck. You'll want to go through the menu till you get to manual mode, press enter. Now the big thing is this is not up and this is not down. This is simply running the front two. So if you want to put them down, you hit retract, run it down. If you want to run it up, turn retract off, run it back up. It's also going to tell you what degree of slope it is on. You really don't need to mess with that once it's level, once you put it in automatic level mode. So as of now, we'll just say that you just unhooked from your truck, pulled the truck away, and we're on the campsite and we want to level it up. So we're in manual mode right now. We'll want to switch back to the main menu. When it says ready, you'll come in, push auto level. It always goes down a little bit and finds where its sweet spot is and then does its thing. As you can see, it's flashing, so it is doing what it needs to do. So it's going to get the front to where it wants to be, and then it's going to run the rears. Success. So it is completely done leveling. It'll flash success. It's got all 6 points down. Ready to do some camping. Alright, so to retract the rears, you never want to go to the auto retract. It's going to retract all of them. It'll put it on the ground. So you'll go to manual mode, hit enter, do retract, and you'll hold the rear. And it's going to pull the back 4 up.
You want video?
Sure. Let's get those two. Let's get the other side. They move too fast. A little bit. There you have it. Now you're ready to hook up to your truck.